Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to bring to front in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. So in order to bring some object into the front, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening the Canva application, just simply open any of your designs or create a new design into Canva. And after that, just simply upload at least 2 images or videos to bring it into the front. I have these 2 images, and as you can see here, this one is in front and this one is in the back. Now, in order to bring this image in the back forward, you just simply have to tap into that image which you want to bring in front, and in order to bring this image into the front, you just simply have to tap into this 3 dots, and then you will get the option of bring into front down here. Just simply tap into this bring into front option, and then the image will be brought to the front. This way you can easily bring images or any other videos into Canva in front. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.